down, 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 down. Turn it up.
Today we're going to be using a product that I've never used before, so I figured I'd make a review. It's the Rust-Oleum Aircraft Remover. I've used Aircraft Stripper, so this is a different brand. So we're going to see how this works in comparison to stuff I usually use. So what we're going to do is take the paint off this wheel that someone spray painted. It used to be silver, now it's really ugly black. So let's see if this stuff will actually peel it off and do a pretty good job. So what you'll do is just shake up the can. Let me just get out of the picture a little. Shake it up. Open it up. Let me walk around here. And you'll just go through and cover everything. Please wear gloves. Don't be stupid like me. Yeah. Good tip. Oh, I think I missed a spot. Whew. So wear gloves and a face mask. I'm an idiot. Don't follow what I do. Watch what I do, but don't follow as I do. Good tips. So we'll see what this looks like in about 10 minutes. So there we go. I left it for about 10 or 15 minutes, and all I did was take the hose to it. It's white again because this is the second time I've sprayed it, but you can see all the paint that has come off. So now it's silver. And now I've just sprayed the second coat of aircraft removal material stuff, whatever you want to call it, just that spray, on whatever was left that was stuck on there still. It's already, you can see what was left is already starting to bubble up. So I'd say the next time I wash it off, it'll be completely silver again. So show you what that looks like. There it is. That's after the second coat and after I washed it. So you can still see there's some black paint here and there. Little edges here and there, but overall took all the paint off. It actually did start to take off some of the, well, you can't see it, maybe you can, start taking off some of the factory original powder coating or paint they use from the factory. So I'm going to hit it one more time and then show you the finished product, but it's looking like it takes about 3 coats to take some spray paint off a wheel. We'll see. And there you go. There's the third coat. Washed off. Got the rest of the black paint off. But it has taken some of the clear coat from the original coating that the factory put on. So I would only recommend to do this if you just really want to refinish the wheels, which is what I'm going to do with these. So, do I think the Rust-Oleum spray-on paint remover is good? If you have a small project that has, you need to remove the paint, like the spray-on like this is good. If you have a big project like I'm doing with, if you're doing a set of wheels or maybe like metal chairs or gardening stuff that you want to repaint and refinish, I would go probably not with the spray-on. I would go with the actual, they make a metal jug. It's either like a gel or a liquid base. I would use that. It's probably easier to spread on instead of spraying. Because on the 4 wheels I'm using, I'm probably going to go through 2 cans of this stuff, maybe even more. So, but it does work really good. I would leave it on for more than what the manufacturer recommends. They recommend about 10 minutes. I would leave it on for about 30. And then just kind of clean it off with a hose and a rag and whatever it tells you to do. So, overall, pretty good product. I would definitely use it again. So, well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also like the video. But until next time, thanks for watching.